Stay awake, no shit. Loose lips do sink shit. Best believe that. Must have had to eat a lot of faces to get fat and call it that. Many prayers, cut many layers. It's just like playing the real life game. Same damn player. Best put my Bounty 5 mask on. Pass it like TVs. They're always on. Another prayer, just like Donkey Kong. Let me see how far Mario gets along. I know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me of demons closing in. I know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me of demons closing in. Yo, Michael, get ready to put your sword in. As far as I know, never had a quarter two-waist dirty room. Leaves a nasty taste. I know you can't change fate, but at least have a say-so. What's been thrown on my plate seems like a lot of weight. Been dragging, feels a little bit like Bilbo bagging. Armed with my prayer pistol, just gotta learn to say no, 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 no. Don't wanna be a thug, a bugger, a parasite. Not gonna find no hoes to make the best of it. Sick motherfuckers eating human shit. Magic mirror pointing right at you. Songs about the postman for you to listen to. I know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me a demon's closing in. I know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me a demon's closing in. Yo, Michael, get ready to put your sword in. Now just to show I am not alright, my last view. It's like the big G.O.D. Lucifer and I are playing in the Super Bowl. Now get ready to roll, cause I'm on the quarterback, and the ball is a ball. Need to kick it really far, field goal, pay my toll. Don't understand, just wanna get high, wanna go bye-bye. How come I'm in such a demand? Now there, I took a stand. Someone please give me a hand. Didn't wanna take it this far. Oh well, Fury, I guess you are. I know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me a demon's closing in. I know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me a demon's closing in. Yo, Michael, get ready to put your sword in. Don't ever wanna skip a step. Ever came so hard you started singing, felt like you were tripping. Instant shriveled up penis. No, I mean it. Gotta make $1 million off my invention, the cock sling, specially designed with my dick in mind. Fucking bruise the poor bastard. Don't worry, no intention. Sorry, but I felt that I needed to mention it. I was feeling kinda down, transmutation, but now I'm happy as shit. I know while you're pissing, you be listening. The stars and the cars be screaming, warning me a demon's closing in. know while you're pissing, you be listening, the stars be glistening, and the cars be screaming, warning me a demon's closing in. Yo Michael, get ready to put your sword in. Yo Michael, get ready to put your sword in. Yo Michael, get ready to put your sword in. Put your sword in.